Hello, how are you? Alright, so keys are gone, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no keys at all.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. The car is locked. Locked. Okay, the keys could be inside or.
I think they are in my husband's truck, and he went hunting this morning, so I don't actually know when he'll be back.
Okay. Got it. Yeah, so give me like maybe 30 minutes or so. I'll get you a new key.
Okay.
The key that I'm gonna make for you, it does not have a remote.
That's fine.
Okay, you're gonna manually open and start it, okay?
That is okay with
Okay,
me.
give me like 30 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so we got a 2019 Ford Focus. Customer not sure where the keys are. I'm gonna make them a new one. There you